Good afternoon, student of class 10. Today we are starting a new chapter that is known as electrical power and household circuit. That means whatever electric we use in our house, we have to know about that. In this chapter, that topic is discussed. First, we have to know about electrical energy. There are other energy except electrical energy. You know that mechanical energy, heat energy, chemical energy. And according to the law of conservation of energy, energy can't be transferred from one form to another. Can be transformed from one form to another, but it cannot be created or not be destroyed. There are some changes of electrical energy is given here. You can see that on passing the electric current through heater, what happened? Electrical energy converted to heat energy. On passing the electric current through an electric lamp, electrical energy converted to light energy. On passing electric current through an electric motor, electrical energy converted to mechanical energy as motor starts moving after getting electrical energy. On passing electric current through the electrolyte, if you are passing electric current through electrolyte, that will be converted to chemical energy. If you are passing electric pulse to a microphone, that will be converted to sound energy. If you are passing current in a coiled wound around a soft iron, like means what happened? If there is a soft iron band around it, there is a wire is wounded there. If you pass the current, that will be converted to magnet. So here electrical energy is converting to magnetic energy. Now how can we calculate the electrical energy? Here you can there is a circuit given. There is terminal voltage is V, I current passing through, and R resistor is fitted here. If you are moving Q charges from one terminal to another terminal, for their work you have to do, that is W. Try to understand. I am moving a charge Q from one terminal to another terminal. For that I have to do a work, and that is W, and that W will be Q into V. V is voltage, Q is charge, and we know that Q equal to I into T. I for current, T for time. Whatever time we are taking to moving the charges Q, that is, so Q equal to I into T. So W become, if I put the value there, that become W equal to VIT. Now we know that V equal to IR. If you put that, so the equation become W equal to I square RT. Try to understand. If I put the value here, V equal to IR, it become I square RT. So now again, if I put the value I equal to V by R, so W become V by R square into RT, so that is become V square T by R. You need to remember this formula: W equal to I square RT, W equal to VIT, W equal to V square T by R. This will be useful for solving the numericals. Now what is electrical power? We know that power is equal to work done by time. Here work done is, I have calculated that I square RT, or that is VIT, and VIT divided by T, it becomes, we know that W equal to VIT, and so P VIT by T equal to VI. Now if I put the value V equal to IR, we know that, so that become V equal to IR, that means P equal to I square R. Here is calculated. If I put I equal to V by R, that will be V square by R. So here's two formula came: P equal to I square R, P equal to V square R by R. You can calculate the formula. If you are not able to remember, you can calculate the formula, because you know that P equal to W by T, and W you know that already. W equal to VIT, so VIT by T equal to VI. Now if you put the value V equal to IR, that becomes I square R. If you put the value I equal to V by R, that becomes V square by R. Now units of electrical power. Units of electrical power, I know that units formula of electrical power P equal to V into I, V for volt, I for ampere. So unit of electrical power is volt ampere, and also there we use watt or joule per second. These are the unit of electrical power: volt ampere, watt or joule per second. Now how we can define 1 watt? 1 watt is the electrical power consumed when a current of 1 ampere flows through a current circuit having potential difference 1 volt. Look at this. If this voltage is 1 and their current is flowing 1 ampere, then whatever electrical power will be consumed by their resistor, that will be 1 watt. 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt, 1 megawatt equal to 10 to the power 6 watt. Now commercial unit means whatever electrical we are using in our house, what type of unit is used there. First we have to know electrical energy equal to power into time. That means power, unit of power is watt, unit of time is second. So watt hour means 1 watt hour means the electrical power consumed in 1 hour if the appliance, whatever appliance we are using, that are having power rating 1 and it is working for 1 hour, whatever power will be consumed, that is 1 watt hour. 1 watt hour equal to 1 watt into 1 hour, that means 1 watt into 60 into 60 second, that means 3600 joule. Kilowatt hour. Similarly, if there is this appliance which are having power rating 1 kilowatt hour, if it is consuming power for 1 hour, that is whatever power it is consumed, that is 1 kilowatt hour. That means 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. And this 1 kilowatt hour is used as a unit of the electrical appliance in our house. Now you know the power rating is given in every appliance. If you have a bulb, you can see the power rating is given 100 watt 220 volt. What does it mean? That means if that bulb is connected to through a 220 voltage potential difference, that will consume 100 watt in 1 hour. And from that rating we can find out when the bulb will glow, how much resistance will generate and what will be the safe current can flow through it. Okay, first I am going to check it out. When the bulb will glow, how much resistance will generate. We know that R equal to V square by P. Now put the value V equal to 220 given, or P is 100. 220 square by P, that amount will be 484 ohm. Similarly, safe current I can calculate from that. P by V, P I know that 100, V is here 220. From that I got I is 0.5 ampere. That means in that bulb, if current is flowing 0.5 ampere, that is safe. If it is flow more than that, there may be a damage in the bulb or bulb can be fused. Okay, here some electrical appliance is there and their power rating and voltage rating is given. Like car bulb 20 power 12 voltage, room heater 1000 power 1000 watt 220 voltage, electric oven 3000 watt 220 voltage. Household consumption of electrical energy. We already said that in our household electrical energy, how much electrical energy is consumed, that is calculated in the unit of kilowatt hour. In kilowatt hour means if a appliance is rating have 1 kilowatt hour, whatever power it is consumed in 1 hour, that is 1 kilowatt hour. So for calculating the unit of our household appliance, we have to first convert all the power rating into kilowatt, and then you have to find out how much hour it is glowing or using. Then you have to multiply that, you will get the unit, and from that you can get the formula also. Energy equal to, you know that, VIT by 1000. As we are all as the power rating is converted to kilowatt, that's why this is divided by 1000. As all the power rating is converted to kilowatt, that's why it is divided by 1000. So in our house we can calculate the energy consumed, electrical energy consumed by this formula, VIT by 1000. T is in hour, I is in ampere, V is in volt, 1000, you can say that. Like here is one example is given. An electric oven have power 3 kilowatt and it is used for 2 hours in each day. What will be the electrical power consumed? 3 kilowatt